Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. When you have something where you need, and you go to God, and you ask Him one time, you tap and go away, or you keep on a ask Him, and a ask Him, and a ask Him? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right as so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 1 to verse 8. Then Jesus telling special follower them that area for show them say them fi always pray and no give up. In a one town, you did have one judge when afraid of God and when no respect nobody. And in the same town there, you did have one woman where husband the dead. She ever a come to him and a beg him, say, "I want justice. Protect me from me enemy them. Do." For one long time, he might tell her no. But after a while, the judge said to himself, say, "Me no fear of God, and me no respect nobody. But sake of how that woman ya keep on a bother me, me gonna make sure say she get justice. So she will tap con tired me out." The Lord tell them say, "Unu hear what the wicked judge say? So unu not think say God I go give the people them when pick justice. The one them we bawl to him day and night. Unu think say him we keep on a put them off? God will make sure say they get justice quick. But when the man where God pick come back at earth, he might go find people who believe in him. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.